Okay, today we'll see text formatting in InDesign. Okay, text and paragraph formatting in InDesign. All right, so let's see how it will work. So I will take text tool from here, right, and I will just write and make a text frame here. Okay, so here we are going to format text or character formatting. All right, character formatting. All right, that's we are going to learn, or also paragraph formatting in InDesign. All right, that's what we are going to learn today. As you know that if you want to write a single line text, you can write like this, and if you want dummy text, you can also have dummy text by making a text frame and then right click and you can choose fill with placeholder text. You can also get dummy text like this. So both we will see how we can add it. If you have studied in Illustrator, so same typography is same, like you can edit text and paragraph same, but we have few new option in InDesign. Let's see what these options are. So you need to activate this type tool first of all. For example, if you have selected this frame, you will not get text or paragraph editing option. Be careful. All right, so you need to double click. You need to double click and you need to activate that blinking cursor. Then you will see the ribbon of character editing or character formatting and paragraph formatting. So many times you will do you are looking for that options, but you have selected only the frame. So you need to double click and you have to activate the text editing option. Then you will see these two options. So in ribbon also you have to tab. So first is character formatting and next is paragraph formatting. So you need to click what you want to do. So first we will see character formatting. You just need to click over here. So you will see character formatting options and we will see how we can format character in InDesign. So first of all, you have of course font. You can change also fonts from here. Simple, okay, not rocket science. And also then you have style. Okay, many students also complain like we cannot find the bold, italic. So I told them just go here and check the font which has styles. If you see this Arial has 9 styles inside. If you click here, now you can have like 9 styles. Like you can make bold, italic and underline as well. So better to go here and just check from here also. So which are you want to use. So Marriott Pro, this is 4 style inside. You can just go and you can also take from here. So before choosing fonts from here, you need to look at here how many style this font family has. So you can change from here font and also its style. Then you have font size. All right, if you want to change font size from here, you can also change font size. Normally for the body text we keep 10 to 12 points. If you want to write heading, go for 14 points, or you can go also 18 points, but it depends of the requirement. Okay, how much bigger text you want. Same, then you have line spacing. If you want to adjust line spacing, you can adjust also line spacing from here. In typography we have one standard rule, okay, which I told you before. If you not, you can write also one rule I like teach in typography, like we have LKT rule. LKT, L means leading, all right, like this, leading. Then K means you have kerning, and T means tracking. All right, so this is the rule you will remember for typography or text or paragraph formatting. L for leading, K for kerning and tracking. So what is leading? Leading is line spacing. All right, so you can write it's a line spacing. All right, leading means line spacing. If you want to change the space between lines, then you can use leading. All right, so leading is line spacing. All right, so it is we can write line spacing. All right, what is kerning? Kerning means space between two characters. All right, space between two characters. All right, two characters. Okay, and tracking means space between more than two characters. All right, so we can say more than two characters. All right, like this. So I will teach you how it will work actually. So leading means line spacing, kerning means space between two characters. If you want to adjust space between two characters, you can use kerning and tracking space between more than two character or whole word we can say also. Okay, if you say whole word, it will not be wrong also. Alright, so let's see how it will work. I will show you the shortcut keys to use these three options. Alright, so if you want to use leading or line spacing, you can use, for example, here I want to manage line spacing in this paragraph. So you can manage from here. You need double click and activate this option, and here you have this leading. So just click here and you can change leading from here like 18 point. You can, once you need to select the lines and then go here, you can change like this. So line spacing will change. The shortcut key we use, hold Alt key from the keyboard and up arrow to decrease leading, and hold Alt key and down arrow to increase leading. So this is shortcut key you can use in all softwares, right? In all Adobe software you can use. Same in kerning. Kerning with space between two characters. If you see the space is not equal between two characters, you can just click between two, and you can use also Alt and right arrow to increase the kerning. All right, and also you can use Alt and left arrow to decrease kerning. All right. So look at here, this is kerning option. When you are changing, look at this value will change. I will hold Alt key and left arrow, look, it's changing by 20 points, right? So you can also increase like this if you want to increase kerning. All right, same we have tracking also. Tracking means more than two character. So same Alt and right arrow, look at the value here is tracking is changing. So you have kerning and tracking over here, so you can change also Alt and right and left arrow to increase or decrease tracking. All right, so this is leading, kerning and tracking. You will find leading, kerning and tracking you can find from here, and you can use in your character or paragraph formatting. All right, next we will see what we can do in text character formatting. So I'll go back character formatting. So same here, you have these three options. Then you have caps. For example, you have all caps. If you click here, all will be turned into capital letter, right? Also you can use small caps. So it will be capital letter, but this size of this will be equal to small character. So sometimes you can use also this option, but we usually use this option. Many times we use this one, all caps option. All right, then you have superscript and subscript option. You can use also if you have like formula, like you have H2O, right? You want to show like superscript or subscript, so you can use also like this. Same if you have a square or plus b square formula, then you can also use superscript and subscript. For example, select this one 2 and you can make it subscript, and select this 2, you can make it superscript as well. So if you want to make a base or power, then you can use this superscript and subscript. All right, so next you have underline. So you can do underline from here, and also strike through effect. If you want to show this text should be deleted, you can also use this effect. All right, so that's how you can use this option in character formatting in InDesign. Let's see what option we have more in InDesign. So double click and select again. Then you have horizontal scale and vertical scale. You can choose also to reduce or increase size vertically, and you can also choose horizontal, but normally we don't use this option because it will destroy the original shape of the text. If you want to use, you can use as well, it's your personal choice. Then I will select again. Then you can change color from here of the text. If you want to change color, you can change color, and also if you want to change outline color of the text, you can also change outline like this. All right, so fill and outline both you can change by selecting this one. All right, so that was character formatting. Now we will see how we can work on paragraph formatting. So I will delete this one and I'll make one more paragraph. So click and drag it. I want to fill it, then right click, all right, and insert fill placeholder text. So here we have paragraph. I'll make like more than one paragraph, so I need to make a big text frame. So I just click and drag like this, okay, and just then right click and fill with placeholder text. So now I have many paragraphs. We'll see how we are going to format. So just click anywhere in the paragraph, then go to paragraph editing. Okay, now here you have alignment. First of all, you can change the alignment of the paragraph, left align, right align, center align. So it's your own choice, you can just do it. And next here you have like left indent, means it will add white space towards the left side of the paragraph. You can give left indent also, and also you can give right indent. So right indent means to add white space towards the right side of the paragraph, and left indent mean add white space to the right side of the paragraph. So you can use these two options as well. Then here you have first line indent, so it will move only first line forward like this. Then you have bottom line, so you can also move bottom line if you want to move it. All right, so these options you can use if you want to use, but we use rarely nowadays, because it was before we were using this option, now we rarely use this option. Next in paragraph we have, this option we use paragraph spacing before and after. Yes, this is because sometimes we need to give space before and after paragraph like this to make it different from other paragraphs. Yes, these options we are using before and after paragraph. All right, the space you can add. Next new option in InDesign we have drop cap. We don't have this option in other softwares, but yes, here you can use this drop cap. Drop cap means the first or second, third characters you can make it large. So from here I will just make it large, like how many lines you want to drop, one character. So here you can choose number of character as well and number of lines. So I want to, usually we drop on number of 3 lines. You can also make it 4 if you want, and from here you can choose number of character which you want to drop. But generally we use only 1 character. In magazine and newspaper you have seen this option, but if you want you can go for more, but usually we make for 3 lines or 4 and 1 character in drop cap. This is the new option we have in InDesign. Then also new option we have bullets and numbering, because it's harder to find other softwares. So click on bullets, you can apply bullets as well if you want to apply bullets, and also numbering if you want to apply numbering. For example, I will write text 1, 2, 3, right? If you have studied other softwares, Microsoft, then it's easy for you. Just select all and click on bullets, you can apply bullets. And if you click on numbers, you can apply also numbers. Now the question is how I can change the shape of the bullets and how I can change the numbers format. So very easy, whatever you have applied from here, like this number. So in the same ribbon, go in the last and click on this fly out menu, and from here you need to choose bullets and numbering option. So click over here, then from here you can choose format, which format you want to apply. So when you will click, you will see this format has been applied, and click OK and it's changed. Alright, again I will repeat. For the bullets, click here, then again click here at the end of the ribbon and go bullets and numbering, and now here you can see I have only these bullets relates to this fonts. So what I can do, I need to add these bullets. Just click on the add button, and here you can see the available bullets which you can use against this font you have chosen. So for example, I will take these bullets, alright, and click OK. This bullets added. When you click here, so this bullets will be applied. You are selected. Here you can choose also alignment if you want to change alignment of the bullets. Alright, also left, right, and then it's further optional you can use. Click OK. Now it's applied. Alright, so these are the new things. Also we have more new thing in InDesign, which is called shading and border. Shading means you can apply shading on one paragraph. Now just click anywhere in the paragraph, go to shading and just apply shading. You can choose also color. If you will choose color from here, that will be applied, right? And also click anywhere in the paragraph, go in shading and just change color. Look, you can change the color of the paragraph. If you want to apply border around that paragraph, just click here border. Look at there, the border will be applied as well. Alright, same if you click on this paragraph, click on border, and you can also choose color of the border as well. And from here you can choose color of the border. So that's how you can apply also border and color around the paragraph. Alright, and also we have here, like if you want to change the text frame into columns, but this we will study in text frame options, but still you have If you want to convert the text frame into columns, you can also convert it from here, how many columns you want, but we'll say this one in text frame option, leave it for right now. So that was how you can edit text and paragraph formatting you can do in InDesign. All right. And one thing more I would like to teach you, because many times you will face this problem. Like look at here, you will see this warning here. Okay, this is called overset warning, and in InDesign, if you're going to save the document, it will show you this error also. Okay, this paragraph is like showing you warning. So when will this will comes, let me show you. For example, if you have any text frame like this, and just fill it, right click, fill with placeholder text. Now it's filled. Now if you will resize it, resize the frame, you will see it's not resizing the text size, but it's just resizing the frame, but the balanced text is still there. That's why it's showing you the warning, like you have still text inside which has been clipped. Alright, so this warning is there. So what we need to do to get rid of it, so you need to click on this overset anchor, just click over here, so it will carry the balanced text. Now if you click here, so it will be giving you the balanced text here, so you can move also. Now if you will write here, you will see the balanced text will move. If you will delete that one, the balanced text will go back to original box. I would suggest you to click here and just make another frame like this, so where you want to keep balancing. That's how you can transfer text from one shape to another. Because many times I have seen students are writing text and they are just decreasing size of it like this, and they are getting warning. All right, so I told you before also, if you want to reduce or increase size, hold Control and Shift from the keyboard, then increase size together. All right, then frame and text you can increase together. All right, so that's how you can do text and paragraph editing in InDesign.